Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Art Content Knowledge Test? This is Praxis Test Code 5134. Praxis 5134 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of art beyond the Western tradition. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Problem number 1. Which of the following best describes the primary purpose of masks in traditional African art? They were primarily used for decorative purposes in homes. They were used to represent spirits and ancestors during ceremonial events. They were used to scare away predators from villages, or they were used as a form of identification for different tribes. Masks used for decoration in homes would not capture their significant cultural and spiritual roles, so we can cross that out. Scaring away predators is not a documented function of these masks either. So let's eliminate that. Identification for different tribes is also not accurate, as masks are more symbolic and spiritual. So let's cross that out too. The correct answer is that they were used to represent spirits and ancestors during ceremonial events. These masks play a crucial role in rituals, ceremonies, and religious events, embodying spiritual entities and connecting communities to their ancestors and deities. Thus, B is the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following architectural styles is featured in this image? Greek architecture, Roman architecture, iconic architecture, or Corinthian architecture? Right off the bat, we can eliminate iconic architecture. It is not a style of architecture. So now on to the others. Greek architecture typically features simpler columns and structures without the use of arches, so we can cross that out. While Corinthian columns may be a feature, they are not a defining characteristic of the entire structure. So we can eliminate that as well. The correct answer is Roman architecture. The Colosseum is a prime example of Roman architecture, characterized by its use of arches, large-scale engineering, and the incorporation of multiple architectural orders, including the Corinthian order. So B is the correct answer here. Problem number 3. Which of the following is commonly depicted in the mosaics of the mausoleum of Galla Placidia? Shown here. Biblical narratives and Christian symbolism, scenes from Greek and Norse mythology, abstract and geometric patterns, or portraits of Roman and Greek emperors. Right away, we can eliminate 2. Portraits of Roman and Greek emperors and scenes from Greek and Norse mythology. Greek and Norse mythology evolve separately in both time and in location and are distinct, with no known portrayals of them existing side by side. Portraits of Roman and Greek emperors would be highly unusual, though if it had said Greek deities, it would be possible. Now, while some mosaics may include geometric designs in the mausoleum, these are not the primary focus, so we can also eliminate that. The correct answer is biblical narratives and Christian symbolism. Galla Placidia was a devout Christian and had a major impact on early Christian art and architecture in ancient Rome. As such, her mausoleum prominently features scenes from the Bible and Christian symbols, reflecting her belief system and the significance of the site. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Problem number 4. What is the primary purpose of the traditional Japanese art form ikebana? It is a form of meditation and spiritual practice. It is used to create decorations for festivals. It is a competitive art form to demonstrate skill and creativity, or it is primarily used for funerals and other mourning ceremonies. Ikebana is the traditional Japanese art of flower arrangement, and while ikebana arrangements can be used for various occasions, their primary purpose extends beyond simply decoration. So we can eliminate that. Although ikebana can showcase skill and creativity, competition is not its main purpose. So we can also eliminate that. Also, it's not exclusively associated with funerals and mourning, so that's not correct either. The correct answer here is that ikebana is a form of meditation and spiritual practice. This traditional Japanese art form emphasizes harmony, balance, and the connection between nature and humanity, reflecting its deep spiritual and meditative roots. So we have A as the correct answer here. I trust that I was able to clarify the subtopic of art beyond the Western tradition for the Praxis 5134 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.